Welcome to this walk around video. Today we do have this lovely 2016 Range Rover Sport SVR with the Overfinch exterior body kit, full carbon fibre. It's finished in the Santorini Black metallic and does come, as you can see, fully loaded with all the carbon on the exterior. Moving around the side, you do have the 23-inch Overfinch alloy wheels, finished in gloss black. You do also have carbon fibre to the rear spoiler, and down the rear diffuser you do also have the Overfinch exhaust tips. Some other little features: does have the carbon exterior mirror caps and bonnet vents. If we take a look inside, you do have the cirrus and ebony leather interior with your bucket seats, still in lovely condition, and you do get the SVR embossing to all the seats. You do have 4-zone climate control with heated rear seats as well. That lovely fixed panoramic sunroof. As standard on the SVR, you do get the Meridian surround sound. Moving into the front, as you can see, still in lovely condition. You do have fully electric front seats with the memory function, and you do of course get the heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control. As you can see, this car's done just under 62,000 miles from new. You do of course have your rear view camera, sat nav and Bluetooth etc. on the infotainment system. And of course you do get the sound of the 5-litre supercharged V8. If you've got any more questions on this car, please do contact us on 01423 33 11 33. Thank you.